Welcome back to discussion about diabetes. Here are few things which one must know about diabetes which will help you in managing the condition better. So let's get started. In simple language, diabetes is the condition where blood sugar levels are increased. Normal blood sugar is 120, whereas for diabetics it is more than that. Majorly diabetes is related to consumption of sugar, but it's not so. Overall metabolism is affected when it comes to blood sugar monitoring. So we'll discuss about this in later on slides. Basically there are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. But India is said to be hub of diabetes and there are more number of people who are having type 2 diabetes. Whatever food we are consuming, that is basically consumed to get energy and do activity. So in crude language, when we eat food, it is digested in our body, it is converted to energy, and then only we can perform any basic activity. In various nutrients form, this food gives us energy which can be used in doing mental or physical or any other activity. Diabetes is not only about sugar consumption, but consuming carbohydrates, fats and proteins. How we are deriving energy from these nutrients is important. To get this energy from food what we are eating, insulin is the main factor which plays role. Insulin is secreted from pancreas and this takes your glucose or energy to any cell to perform any activity. In case of type 1 diabetes, insulin is not secreted, whereas in case of type 2 diabetes, it is secreted in less amount or it is secreted in more amount but it is not active. In case of type 2 diabetes, sedentary lifestyle is the cause of developing diabetes, and it's not overnight or not over the period of few months, but it's over the period of years which leads to type 2 diabetes. To manage type 1 diabetes, person is asked to take insulin shots, whereas to manage type 2 diabetes, he can modify his lifestyle, physical activity and depend on few medications. But you must be knowing why I should know all these things. Simply we need to do these things because it is affecting our health. If we know basics, we can see what is helpful to us and bring in the change. If blood sugar levels are increased for longer time, it affects functioning of all bodily parts, that is your heart, nervous system, blood circulation, eyes, ear, dental system, etc. So we really need to take some steps to control this blood sugar levels. Now, how to manage diabetes and how to prevent further complications which are related to diabetes. Now this is really in our hand and managing simple things will help you to take control of the situation. Although you are taking your medications, diet is the first thing which is going to affect your blood sugar levels. As we have seen earlier that what food we are eating is going to convert into energy and that's what is going to affect our health. So make sure you're eating healthy diet. Exercise is another important part to manage blood sugar levels. If you are taking right amount of carbohydrate, proteins and fats and able to burn those calories with the help of exercise, then it is beneficial for overall health. Important part is about medication. Never ever change or stop your medications without discussing with your doctor. Although you are trying to manage your diet, lifestyle and fitness, medication is important. So maybe doses can reduce over the period of time, but always discuss with your doctors before making any. All these three things we need to manage every day throughout the life. And this is for our betterment. It's not only for today, tomorrow or span of few months or few days. Whatever you are going to learn, try to apply it throughout your lives to get best results. As a result of putting in efforts to manage your diet, fitness and medication, one must feel healthy. Feeling healthy is your birthright and try try to take some steps to make it happen. Here are basics of diabetes which we always need to look for. This is called as ABCs of diabetes. A stands for HbA1c, which is the investigating test which can be done every 3 months. And it should be less than 6.5 for a person taking medication and who is known as diabetic. D stands for blood pressure. Always try to maintain your blood pressure with regular exercise, diet and fitness. C stands for cholesterol. Maintain ideal cholesterol levels to avoid further damage to your health. Right diet and exercise will eventually help you in managing your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. You are the most important member of your healthcare team. Share your all questions and queries with your healthcare team.